What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you had a great week, and in general, hope you're doing good. In this video, we'll talk about Peipei again. We covered this yesterday. Yesterday, I was slightly bearish actually because we were losing momentum. So I just wanted to give you a little bit of an update on the situation for Peipei right now. I haven't looked at the momentum myself. The price has been relatively stable here. I would actually say price is quite bullish here. Because what you see is that we are actually respecting the 50 EMA right here, which doesn't mean much, but it's a bullish confirmation. And the structure in general is quite bullish as well. I mean, usually when you see something like this, so obviously we are consolidating here on the lower time frames because we are on the 1 hour time frame. And usually when you see something like that, like you see a big momentous move or a move with a lot of momentum, and we start to consolidate or we start to do some sort of a bearish flag, right? Something like this. Usually that turns into another move with momentum. So I would actually say purely price structure wise, we are still bullish. And I also yesterday, even though I was slightly bearish, I never told anyone to short. I don't think you should short Peipei right now. Maybe if we drop down below 2850, but purely technically, as long as we're above 2850, where we have the 100 EMA and the 0.5 FIB, and arguably even if we drop down to this level right here at 2700, we are bullish. So I certainly would not short Peipei. But the thing is that, in the end, we did lose a lot of momentum yesterday. And you do need momentum to continue to be bullish. And Peipei itself, and I do want to have said this, because I'm covering this, so maybe that gives a little bit of validity. But Peipei itself is still a low market cap meme coin in bearish market circumstances. All right, so be careful. All right, there's 100% whales behind this as well, who will at some point of time cash out, and they'll make money. And guess who's losing the money? It's retail. So be careful. All right, if you're a new trader, don't risk too much on this. Just be careful. And you can also see, and we talked about this before, that most of the volume is coming from Deepcoin, which is not an exchange which you would like a lot of volume to come from. Historically, it's a bit of a manipulator exchange. So in general, be careful. But if we look at this price structure right now, to kind of shift away from this being a risky meme coin, if you look at the price structure, it's bullish. I still do think that the momentum is quite low here, right? So the open interest, if you look at all the rallies we've had, you can see the momentum has been bullish. So this is open interest. It's practically how many positions are being opened. It always has rallied to some sort of extent when we were bullish. And what you can see that is basically since yesterday. So when I covered it yesterday, we already talked about this. Momentum has been dropping down. Now that's not necessarily bearish because you can see that blue line is the CVD, and that's actually still positive. So that means that this momentum this momentum loss is mostly short positions being closed, which is not bearish. All right, you want shorters to close, or at least that creates some sort of bullish momentum for the price. But now the main question is all right, well, shorts being closed, that's good. Can we also have new longs being opened? And this morning, the answer is yes. All right, we actually see longs being opened right now. So the main thing is, well, first of all, we want this. If we want a bullish Peipei, first of all, we want this open interest to continue something like this. All right, so that it continues to be bullish. And then purely technically, I think that's easier. I would say we need some sort of a breakout above 3,400. All right, purely technically, I think that's one of the key levels here. If we technically can get a breakout above that level while Peipei is gaining momentum, I would say we'll continue to go up towards 4,000 then. That would be my first price target, but we can rally up higher as well. It depends a bit on the markets, depends on the momentum. So keep your eyes on that in either way. And I do think this is most likely, even though the breakout hasn't happened, even though the momentum isn't here yet. Like I said, price structure wise, we look bullish as well. So this is what I think is most likely. If you want to buy this, I would wait for the breakout. If you want to short this, I would not bother at this point of time. All right. But I'll keep you updated on that if you want that. For now, these are my thoughts. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.